This is the DE-2 finder on the Nikon F3. So if we turn this on, this one is used to illuminate this one. I've pressed the shutter to activate that. This illuminates the shutter setting on the upper right of the viewfinder. Then this one, this is the ADR window. So this is where you see the aperture setting, like these ones. Like these ones. This is on an autofocus Nikon lens. If you have an old lens, like non-AI lenses, you won't be able to see them. Then this is the eyepiece shutter lever. If you're doing like long exposures, it closes that up just so stray light don't get in and mess up with your exposure. Open, close, open. And this is how you remove it. There's a lever here and here, so you push it back and up. That's also how you change the focusing screen. So just your thumbnail here, lift it up. There are several types of focusing screens, so it's up to you what you want. Put it back, put the viewfinder back, push it back and down.